Assalamu alaikum, this is 191017 Yasir Zahid. In this video I'll be taking you quickly through the video part of what we've done. These are all the videos and pictures that might be missing in the previous explanation I have already given. So this very first thing is the initial track that I drew on a page to start with the project. This was to plan how are we going to make our states and the sensor placement and rest of the things that we are supposed to do. This right here is the 293D motor driver, and this is the chassis of our robot. This is the first floor of our robot. Our robot has two chassis. This plate right here is used for tachometers, and then this is just another video on our robot. This is the time when we were working on our code, and this is me calibrating the IR sensors for the very first version of our robot. Now this is while we were wiring our robot. This is the test drive of our robot right here. This was the first version of our robot, that is the breadboard version of our robot. After that, again, this is the wiring portion. This is another testing video of our robot that we had, and after that we also have these. This is the placement of our IR sensor. We taped these IR emitters to avoid them from catching their neighboring signals. This is the video from when we were soldering the PCB of our robot, and this is our initial placement, version 1 placement. This is our final PCB version of the robot that we made. Everything mounted on. The only things add-ons were these batteries, and rest of things were on our robot. You can see right here, these are our IR plates. This is our ultrasonic sensor. This right here is our Mega 2560. This is our 293D. This is correction for our motor 1, corrections for our motor 2. This is our current or voltage sensor. Maybe this is the other one, current or voltage sensor. And yes, it's the wiring part of the PCB version of our robot. This right here is LCD, and that is the SD card module that was mounted back then. And after that, this is also from our version 1 of our robot. This is our robot traveling to university. This is the track that we used to test in our room. This is the PCB version test. Well, we don't have quite a nice video for our PCB version video, but another one. So this is the SD card mounted in version 1 of robot, and this is another PCB prototype testing. Okay, these were the stages of our PCB. This is the initial picture when no wire was attached, so there were so many crossovers right here. Then stage by stage we went to our final version. These are all the footprints we made for our robot, and the final PCB that we got. And this is the version 1 again. Okay, this is while we were etching our PCB. This is the semi-etched version, you can say. Okay, and this is the version 1 of our robot. This right here is a video while we were soldering. Okay, it's not a video, it's just a picture. But this is our PCB. It was shining back then, but then it dulled. We should have applied some sort of resin on it to preserve its shine. But anyways, this is the smaller jumper version, and this is without anything soldered on it. And this is the drilling part when we were drilling into the robot. These holes for all these components these right here. Okay, come on, come back, zoom out, bro. We should fully zoom out to get the result. And so yes, these were all the proof of work videos while we were working on our robot.